Hi, this is Marina Knobloch, and this is my week 4 interactive journal. So the big idea, a picture is worth 1,000 words. We use this concept of pictures for math. It gives students the opportunity to see the problem as a visual picture, not just as numbers. An example of that the teacher talked about with her students in the beginning when reviewing multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9. Which if we were to draw it out, it would look like this: 3 circles with 3 dots on the inside. Strategies used and effective engagement strategies. Some strategies that the teacher used to develop students' understanding of the concept of multiplication and division was by reviewing what they already knew of both concepts, asking students to define the concepts, and did physical cues to help the students know when they were transitioning to another topic. When talking about problems, you saw the students would talk about their understanding with some prompting from the teacher. Some effective engagement strategies that were used from what we saw in the video were having the students discuss and have students come up and demonstrate. Also, the teacher would show them different ways to answer a problem to provide multiple strategies to answer a problem. Evidence supports the fact that these strategies were effective because it allows the students to collaborate and think aloud about the problem and work out the problem. It also allows for trial and error as well and getting the ideas from other students. And these are my resources.